Well, things are looking up. We've went up, if you notice on the sides, 18 inches, 16 3/4 there, but I think this one's 19 and a half. So we're getting, if you notice back there, we're getting the height that she needs right here. We're at 47 inches. But it's slow going and stressful because you don't want it to fall off. If you notice, I put support here, and this already has support here on this so the jacks can be supported. And then on those piers, I put wood to help support the floor up there because just the weight of the blocks alone is some, but then it's also carrying the weight of the roof. And then we ran these boards here on the outside so that if something happens, which it has not, it won't just fall over. And so, yeah, it'll hit before it does that. So we've been taking, we put a board on the back side against the siding so that it won't go that far. And we've actually got a strap right here to pull it. So.
Show you what we got there. We're using these jacks, right?
Yeah, the Simplex jacks.
It's not like a bunch of, you don't jack it a bunch and wedge it. You go one wedge.
Go around, set it up,
Be
pull,
careful.
being exceptionally careful. And if you notice, we doubled up those piers because the piers were just wobbly as all get out without being doubled up, which is why you do it on mobile homes or anything else that goes over 3 blocks high. The jacks themselves are kind of wobbly, but if you have support like this that we made, to go underneath the beam, then you got a lot less to worry about. But believe me, I still worry. So we got to go up 50 inches and we're about 20. All right, we'll see you in the next part of the project.